my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Stay Gorgeous. Today I am going to share with you a lovely box. The name of the box is Smitten. It is an application, Smitten, and this application actually provides you with free sample products like from luxurious brands which are way too costly to purchase. So try out some products and later on purchase a bigger sample for that. So you can get these brands over here on the Smitten app, and I got to know about this a few days back. So I had ordered some of the samples, like they give you 3 samples free of any product. They don't only have just beauty products, but also they have like beverages, food and beverages, and fragrances, beauty products, and way too many other products, out of which you can choose the sample. So I had ordered this. They are the free samples. So I had to pay around 75 rupees for my order delivery. Other than that, the cost of the product was zero for me, and they delivered it within, I think, they delivered within 2 to 3 days to me. So let's see what is there in the package. So I have already opened it from here, but I have not gone through inside. So it comes into a bubble wrap. This is the box. So this is the box which contains the free sample. So they have written more of what you love, I think, something like this, more of what you love. So if you are smitten by any of their products, you can order for a free sample from their website, and they will be delivering you in this such a nice and cute box. So I'm going to open it and show you what are the contents. The thing is this way. So they have done a very nice, it is into a paper wrap, and there are some things inside. So let's see what are these things. I'm just going to open it, and something has fallen. Opening the package, I can see 4 things inside the box. Actually I had ordered 3 things. The first thing which I had ordered was natural bath and body face wash, which contains Moroccan rose and argan oil. It is a small mini bottle, Moroccan rose and argan oil for silken radiance. And face wash, why I had ordered this, it is a smooth, fluffy, lightly wiped cleanser, and that works up a rich lather to gently clean the surface of the skin and restore a youthful glow. Infused with Moroccan rose fragrance and calamine powder, it soothes and tones the skin. So this is a small bottle, and the goodness of Moroccan rose and argan oil is present in it. So I think it will be lovely. Let's just open up the bottle. It is quite liquid. It is not a thick one. It is quite liquid kind of, and it has a beautiful fragrance of rose. Sharing the results with you regarding this, what is the results or what is the review of this product later on when I am going to try it. But right now I'm just demonstrating the things which I have received in the box. So next thing up is natural bath and body hand and foot cream. So it contains lemon and chamomile to comfort and restore your palms, soles and spirits. This is the tube. I hope. Again, the contents, it is 20 ml. So it is for daily rigors that the skin of our hands and feet goes through, it deserves advanced treatment that is stimulating cream provides, and fusion of organic lemon and organic chamomiles is high in antibacterial properties that rebuild cracked heels and prevent scaling. Because my hands are a bit dry, so I thought of trying this hand and foot cream from Natural. So over here I have opened up, I have taken out a bit of cream on my hand, and let's see how it works. It is very creamy, and it has a very nice fragrance, and see, it got absorbed immediately in my hand. Immediately it got absorbed over here, and it has made my skin feeling very soft, and it has a lemony fragrance, which I like citrus fragrance, so I think it is very good. So this is the cream. Maybe I think I will be ordering this for the full size one. This tube is really very nice, and the fragrance is really lovely, and my hands are feeling very soft. It has got absorbed properly into my hands, into the skin, and it is not giving any kind of perspiration. Like sometimes when you use hand and foot creams, generally your hands start to sweat. So it is not sweating a little. Next in the box is free sample of Daily Defense range and Day Shield for all skin types moisturizer. So container, it is a very small container, and this is the way it looks. Just a little bit of cream is there, so I think that this quantity is quite less for anyone to experience what kind of product it is. Just only, I think you can use it once or twice only. So I'm going to open this and just to check. See, the cream is just a little bit. I think only for one, or maximum you can use it 2 times. The container has so less amount of cream, so I thought it will also come into a tube form or something like that. Now this is also having a very pleasant and nice fragrance, and let me try it on my hand. This is really very nice, and the texture is very soothing, and once you apply it, you will feel cold over your skin. Like, it is, I think, refreshing and cooling kind of thing. So it is good for all skin types, and it is an anti-pollution, skin repair, skin tightening, and SPF 20 containing. It is from Sohe Essentials, I think it is pronounced that way only. So the net weight is only 5 grams, I think, which is very less. But because they are giving it as a free sample, maybe, so they have given me 2 containers of the cream, and both of them are having total 5 gram. I think the quantity is very less, but I think the moisturizer will be very good, and it has anti-aging property, like skin tightening kind of. So it can help for people who are having wrinkles or just have started to get wrinkles. And it contains rosehip, bamboo, raspberry, pomegranate, and almond oil, all of which, and pomegranate and almond oil, though I know that are very good for your skin. So these are going to help you for fight against anti-aging, and it contains SPF 20 also. So if you are looking for a moisturizing cream for summer, which is your Daily Defense, so you can try this also. So these are the total 3 products which I received in this lovely and pretty box. So I'm happy with the products because they are free sample. You cannot demand for anything more than that. But this is like you can try it, and later on you can order for a bigger bottle or quantity if you like the product. So you can download the app from Google. You can download the app from Google Play Store, and if I hope you like the review of the Smitten box, and also subscribe to this Smitten app, and order your free samples whatever you like for yourself, and do share your experience, and do share what you have bought from the Smitten app and what you are smitten of, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to give a like.